Good morning, children. In the last class, we have read about Jammu and Kashmir. Today, we will read about some other states through which the northern mountain pass. So, children, the first state through which the northern mountain pass is Himachal Pradesh. So, let us read about Himachal Pradesh. Shimla is the capital city, and the main languages spoken are Pahari and Hindi. The main tourist centers are Kullu, Manali, Dalhousie, Dharamshala, and Kasauli. The train journey from Kalka to Shimla is a special attraction. The main festival celebrated in Kullu and Kangra valleys is Dashera. So, children, as we all know, the capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla, and the people of Himachal Pradesh speak two main languages. So they speak Pahari and Hindi. So these are the main languages spoken by people of Himachal Pradesh. Then the tourist spots in Kullu, famous tourist spots in Himachal Pradesh are Kullu, Manali, Dalhousie, Dharamshala and Kasauli. So many tourists from all over the world come to visit these places because they are very beautiful. Now, children, there is a special train called Shivalik Express train which runs from Kalka to Shimla, and this train journey is of a special attraction. So, as you can see in the picture, also, children, the first picture which is given in your book, Shivalik Express train from Kalka to Shimla. So, this train journey from Kalka to Shimla is a special attraction for the tourists. Now, children, the main festival celebrated in Kullu and Kangra Valley is Dashera. So, Dashera is their special festival. Now, we will come to Uttarakhand. So, children, the northern mountain passes through Uttarakhand also. So, Dehradun is the capital city of the state. The main languages spoken are Garhwali and Hindi. The tourist centers are Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, Badrinath, Kedarnath, and Haridwar. The famous Kumbh Mela is held at Haridwar. Most of the people are either farmers or work in armed forces. The government is helping them in setting up various industries in the state. So, children, the capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun, and the main languages spoken by people here are Garhwali and Hindi. Now, the tourist spot in Uttarakhand are Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, Badrinath, Kedarnath, and Haridwar. All these are the famous tourist spot in Uttarakhand. Now, children, the very famous Kumbh Mela is also held here at Haridwar. So, where is Kumbh Mela held? Kumbh Mela is held at Haridwar, which is in Uttarakhand. Now, people of Uttarakhand, children, they either do farming or they worked in armed forces. Armed forces means they either work in Indian Army or they work in Indian Navy or they work in Indian Air Force. So that is the meaning of armed forces. And lastly, children, the Indian government is trying to set up industries. It is trying to build industries in Uttarakhand so that people can also work in those industries. Now, next, children, we have Sikkim and West Bengal. So, Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim, and most of the people belong to Lepcha, Bhutia, or Nepalese tribal groups. Mount Kanchenjunga is the highest peak in the Indian Himalayas and the third highest in the world. It is in the state of Sikkim. The women like to wear long skirts called baku and beaded jewelry. The state is known for orchids. Mask dance is a special folk dance in Sikkim. So, children, as we all know, the capital of Sikkim is Gangtok, and people living in Sikkim belong to different tribes, like some belong to Lepcha tribe, some belong to Bhutia tribe, and others belong to Nepalese tribe. Now, Mount Kanchenjunga, which is the highest peak in the Indian Himalayas, and it is also third highest peak in the world. So it also lies in Sikkim. So Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world, and Mount Kanchenjunga is the third highest peak of the world, and it also lies in Sikkim. Now, lastly children, the women in Sikkim wear long skirts called baku, and they also like to wear beaded jewelry. Now, orchids. Orchid, which is a very beautiful flower, is also found here. And Sikkim is very famous for orchids. So, what are orchids? They are a very beautiful flower which is found in Sikkim. Now, lastly, mask dance is the folk dance of Sikkim. So, which is the folk dance of Sikkim? Mask dance. Now, let us study about West Bengal. So, Darjeeling is a hill station situated in the northern part of West Bengal. It is famous for the tea grown on the slopes of the hills. So, only this much is given about West Bengal, children. And we all know that the capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. And Darjeeling is a hill station in the northern part of West Bengal. So, in the northern part of West Bengal, Darjeeling is located. Now, Darjeeling, as we all know, it is very famous for its tea, and this tea is grown on the hill slopes of Darjeeling. Then, children, we will study about the northeastern states. The northeastern part of India consists of 7 states. These are collectively called Seven Sisters. People in these states have their own customs, dresses, and languages. So, children, our northeastern part of India has 7 states, and these 7 states are together. Collectively means together. They are together known as the Seven Sisters. And people who live in these 7 states, they have their own customs, dresses, and languages. So, firstly, children, we will study about Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in this region, and Itanagar is its capital city. The state is sparsely populated, and people live in small groups in stilt houses. They are hunter and farmers and grow rice, maize, millets, tobacco, and oilseeds. So, children, Arunachal Pradesh is the largest state in the northeastern part of India. So, which is the largest state in the northeastern part of India? Arunachal Pradesh. And the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Now, children, very few people live here. Sparsely means very few people live here in Arunachal Pradesh, and people live in small groups. So, since not many people are living over here, so they prefer to live in small groups on stilt houses. Now, what do you mean by stilt houses? So, children, stilt houses are those types of houses that are built on raised platforms. So, they are not made right on the ground. They are made on raised platform to protect it from flooding of water. Now, children, what do people in Arunachal Pradesh do? So, people of Arunachal Pradesh, they are hunters, means they kill animals, and they are farmers. So, they hunt animals as well as they grow some crops and vegetables, like they grow rice, maize, millets, tobacco, as well as oilseeds. So, children, today we will read till here only. About other northeastern states, we will read in the next class. So, children, read the portion that we have done today. And in case of any doubts, you can message me on Campus Care. I will see you all in the next class. Thank you, children.